Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great. So can you all hear me and see me in the chat? Yes. Can you all let me know with a thumbs up quickly guys? Hi Srilata, welcome. I'm getting better, thank you so much. Hello Achyut, Albert Einstein, welcome man. Hi Danush, so nice to see all of you here, welcome guys. I'm doing great Danush, thank you, I'm getting better. Hello Kirito, we have a lot of students here, brilliant, so nice to see all of you guys, welcome. Hi Danush Kamaraj, welcome man. So guys, today we are going to look at Ellipse Advanced level problem solving. So I will give you some good questions of good level which has come in your JEE Mains, and we will also do one or two advanced level questions. Okay. Yes, I'm getting better. Acho, thank you man. Hi Jay Ajinkya, welcome. Hello Shreya, welcome. So guys, let's just wait for a minute or two so that your friends can join. Hello Anisha. Anisha, welcome. Very nice to see you. Yes. I saw that. I will reply, don't worry. I saw your post because you are the only one who has commented it. Great job Anisha. Keep it up. Don't worry. We will reply to you today. Great. So yeah, let's begin our session. So for all those who are new to this channel, let me introduce myself quickly. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years now, and I've mentored more than 10,000 plus students in those 7 years. Okay. Now talking about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras, and when I was like you guys, I prepared for exams like KVPY, what you are going to write this month, and also JEE Mains. And when I wrote JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. Okay. And if you guys want to know me better, if you want to get closer to me, this is my Instagram ID. You can follow me there. You can ask me doubts. You can ask me anything about life, about any difficulty that you face. I will be there for you and I will help you. But that might be a delay in response, okay? Because a lot of students do message me. And my Telegram ID is also the same. The same thing is also my Telegram ID. So you can check it out. Anand Jain, I have not received any message from you, I'm sure, man. Did you respond to this? Did you do it from your name or from someone else's name? Okay, so if you are messaging me with your name, there is a very high chance I will reply, because I do reply to everybody. Yes, Sunil, we will do that, man. Hello, Aditya, Manoj. Welcome guys. Yes, Vijay Kumar Rajamanikam, welcome. Very nice to see all of you. Nice guys, let's get started. So Anand, please do remind me again if you have messaged me. I will try to have a look at it, and if whatever your doubts are, I'll try to clear it. Perfect. Now, did you do it in Instagram or Telegram, Anand? I will probably check it out today, because there is a very high chance I always reply to every message that I get. Okay, Aditya, that's awesome. So guys, this is the schedule for this week. We had ellipse done, previous year's complex numbers done, and then again ellipse, previous year's permutation done, and finally we are here at the advanced level problem solving. Tomorrow we have the KVPY essay session, so definitely try to be there. Okay, yes Dhanush, no problem man. So guys, I'm sure everybody knows the crash courses offered by Vedantu. Are you all aware of it? The crash course at Vedantu is the best tool right now because it can take you to a good rank. Hello Sugdha. Yes, I'm doing fine Aditya, I'm getting better. So I would like to spend some time on the crash course because a lot of students have doubt in this. So guys, the crash course is designed in such a way that in the next 1.5 months, we will cover the most important topics required for your February attempt. so that you can go from 0 to 100 plus or 150 plus in just a span of 1.5 months. So 0 to 150 plus is an amazing target, and Vedantu has designed the course in such a way that we will help you achieve that. Are you all clear? So don't think that February exam is the end of the crash course. No, the crash course is going to be available until your May attempt. So all 5 months, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, all the 5 months you will have access to this crash course. You will have doubt solving. Vedantu has the best doubt solving app in the whole country, and you can post your doubts and you will get all your replies within a day, within sometimes minutes as well. So if you guys are interested, check it out. The doubt solving is open from 8 o'clock in the morning till 11 p.m. at night, and that is available with the crash course. Otherwise you have to buy it separately. Because we have the crash course, we are giving it to free for students, because we know that you will have a lot of doubts coming, especially at this point of time when everybody is serious about studying. Okay, so that is the first part. The second part is covering the entire important syllabus in 45 lectures, each lecture of 1.5 hours. And then, yes Dhanush, you can post any question. You can post any doubts that you get when you are solving math, physics, chemistry, whatever, and they will help you clear it. And then you have 10 full test and 10 part tests. These are designed specifically according to the NTA JEE sample paper. So just like the NTA papers, you will have these full tests, and they are all online and at the same time as your JEE mains exam, 9 to 12 o'clock, so that your body gets accustomed to the online system. You will have the right temperament, you'll have the right attitude to solve the paper if you practice it before. So that is why these full tests are very important, especially when you are someone who has covered the entire syllabus. Got it? And you always get to interact with teachers, not like YouTube. You can also talk. You can also show your video. All that interactive features are there in the Vedantu platform, because Vedantu is an online technological platform. It was there since 2015. It is not like Zoom, it is not like Google Meet. We have lots of cool features which I really want you guys to have a look at. Okay? And the best part, or the icing on the cake, the best top cherry on the cake is you will have sessions taken by me, Pulkit Sir and Arvind Kalia Sir. Okay? There are a few chapters which Arvind Kalia Sir will take. There are a few chapters which Pulkit Sir might take. I'm sure everybody loves the way Pulkit Sir has covered geometry in complex numbers, geometry in coordinate geometry. You have seen that in the Vedantu JEE channel, right? So he is also coming and helping you guys out with your JEE preparation. So I don't want you all to miss out on this golden opportunity. Okay? And this golden opportunity is available to you at a price of 8,000. At a price of 8,000. So if you guys are interested, I can even show you the way the crash course is designed, how to register and all that. Maybe in the next class I will do that. I will show you how to open the link, how to get this prize. It is SJCC. Yes, Dhanush, we will cover 70% or even 80% because we want you to aim for 150 to 200. Even someone who is beginning your preparation now, you can definitely reach 150 to 200. That is what Vedantu is planning to do. That is why some of our best teachers are put in the crash course, because they will bring up your level like anything. And you guys will witness it when you are in the crash course. Many of the students from this batch has gone into the crash course and they message me saying that it is beautiful. And that is what makes me so proud and happy about what Vedantu is doing, because the follow-up is also done. We would like your feedback. How is it? Are you guys enjoying? That is amazing. And nobody has ever said or has ever left it in between. They continue because they know it is going to make an impact in their life. Okay? Very good, very good. Exactly. Preetham is saying, geometry Pulkit Sir is amazing. Algebra and calculus. You have to also watch Arvind Kalia Sir, man. He is also amazing. You would love him. Okay? So guys, this is about it. Though Monday there is a crash course starting. Monday is just 3 days away. So if you want to start on Monday, because guys, 1.5 months is there, don't wait for it, because this is a golden ticket to ensure you get 150 plus score. So go for it. SJCC is the coupon code, which stands for Shimon Joseph Crash Course. Okay? Perfect. Great. Exactly, K7. That is why I said it. You have to wait and grab it then and there. Okay? So I told this yesterday, na? So now it is 8,000. Even this, you don't know how long it will be. So grab this opportunity. When will you start calculus? Here, I'm going to discuss calculus questions very soon. Maybe next week I will start it. Don't worry about it. Thank you, Midun. So shall we begin? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Guys, the reason I take a lot of time explaining crash course is because I know that might be the best thing which can happen to you in the last few days. Okay? So that is why I'm really giving a lot of importance to the crash course. I hope you all realize that, because for 5 months a price of 8,000 is almost nothing. It is just 1,600 rupees per month, which usually we say, right, it's 4 pizzas per week or per month. 1 pizza a week. Will this help in BitSat? You mean the crash course? Yes, because BitSat and JEE Mains are similar. In fact, I would say BitSat is a bit easier than JEE Mains. Exactly, Kirito. What is the difference between Pro and Pro Lite? So if you take the Pro subscription, you get personalized teachers. We call them personal teachers. You get doubt solving app, but in Pro Lite, you don't have these two features. Pro Lite is a bit cheaper in price. So if you are going for a Pro Plus subscription, you will get doubt solving, you will get personal teachers who will monitor your progress. Okay, very good, Ankit. So guys, if you are new to the channel, give a subscribe. If you are here and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Do like the video so that we are all motivated to come up with great content and delivery for you guys. Okay? That is the best thing what you can recommend for him, Dhanush, because at this phase, a crash course will give a holistic picture, and there are some extra additions like the course Pulkit Sir takes, like the course Arvind Sir, myself, that will help him get a complete idea. So definitely suggest crash course to anybody who is starting their preparation now, because that is the best possible boost he can get. So guys, are you all ready to learn? Madhavi, are you ready? Trigonometry flash series. Yes, Madhavi. Right now, JEE Mains is the highest focus because your seniors are writing JEE Mains in 1.5 months. So I'm trying to help them out. But once we are done with that, I will start trigonometry. So here we go. This is the first question. Everybody should try and solve it. I will give you guys a lot of time. What about Anisha? Are you doing it? Sir, when I start solving level 4 of module, new chapter starts in class. So should I complete it or leave remaining levels and move on to next topic? So if you are moving on to a new topic, focus on the new topic, Rinmei. Okay. So you can come back to these higher levels maybe during revision. Okay, that is better. Ideally, you are supposed to do higher levels also. Maybe you can find some more time, squeeze some more time and then do it. Or you can do it during revision. That is my suggestion. Okay. Okay, Anisha, what happened? Silent. Okay, great. Yes, Abhishek, I know, man. Even Akash sir is from IIT Madras. He is my junior. Kirito says A. What about others? Midun says D. Shreya says A. And Abhishek, did you solve it? Very good, Ankit. That's brilliant, man. But Ankit, if you want to be a topper, if you want to go to a higher level, Ankit, please be part of a system. I'm not saying Vedantu, I'm not saying online. Be a part of a system. Okay, that is my humble suggestion to you. because just by YouTube, I don't think anybody has ever got into top 500, top 1000 ranks. Okay, just by YouTube. Okay, you need to be a part of the system. YouTube is for the initial excitement, getting you curious about studying. Okay, so don't forget that ever. Okay, Anisha, I hope you get better soon. Take care of health. Okay. Kiran, if you type your name in Hindi, how can I remember you, man? My speaking itself is so bad and you want me to read your name, is it? Now I know. By looking at your photo, I figured out. So we have our legend ninja, Kiran Kumar. Lakshya Gupta says A. And guys, you know what? A is the right answer. You guys are all awesome. Brilliant work. So now let me explain to you how it works. First of all, this is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So what is the focus of this? Your a is greater than b, na? So when your a is greater than b, the focus is going to be plus or minus ae comma 0. Are you all clear about it? Everybody? Yes? So what is the focus? What is a? A is equal to 4. Your b is equal to 3. So your e is equal to what? 1 minus b square by a square under root. So it's going to be root 7 by 4. Are you all clear? So that is your a and that is your e. So what is ae? Ae is 4 into root 7 by 4 comma 0. So that will be what? Plus or minus root 7 comma 0. Are you all clear? So that is your foci, and my circle has the center at 0 comma 3 and it passes through this. So what is the equation of circle with center at 0 comma 3? It will be x square plus y minus 3 the whole square equal to r square. Are you all clear with that? Because center is 0 comma 3, it will be x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to r square. Are you all able to follow that? Any questions or any doubts that you have for me, guys? Aravind Kumar, I am in Chennai only, Aravind. Exactly. Yes, Dhanush, you can do that. Absolutely correct. Very good. Ganesh Babu, welcome, man. Brilliant, Sukda. Sukda has got it. Now, if I want to get the answer, guys, I just need to figure out my r square. So how do I figure out my radius? We know that center is 0 comma 3 and it passes through this point, root 7 comma 0. So can I say distance between center and this point will be the radius? Are you all clear with that? Thank you, Arvind Kumar. Are you all able to get that? Ragunesh, I hope you are able to follow. If you have any specific doubt, please let me know. So what is the radius? Radius is distance between these 2 points, which will be what? 0 minus root 7 the whole square plus 3 minus 0 the whole square. So r square is nothing but 16. So put r square equal to 16 here, open this and you will get option A. Can you all please do that? Everybody? Can you all please do that and get the answer? Check whether you are getting option A. Will IIT KGP set easy paper? Shashidhar, you can never say that for an advanced exam. If they set easy paper, it's actually bad for you because everybody will get good score and the competition will become very, very difficult. Are you able to follow that? Different IIT has different strategy. So IIT Roorkee sets very lengthy papers and IIT Madras sets usually very difficult math papers. So like that, different IITs have their own opinions, but guys, don't go by that. Your job is to prepare. You have to be ready for anything. If it is very difficult, also you have to write. If it is very easy, also you have to write. Got it? So don't go by that. That is not going to help. You have to develop overall. You have to be quick. You have to get the concepts right. You have to take a lot of test series. So please be ready for it. And that is why I keep saying the crash courses are going to help you a lot. Test series are going to help you a lot. Okay. IIT BHU, I'm not too sure, Anisha. Usually the old IITs only conduct. like Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, Delhi and Bombay, right? Guwahati. So these are the old IITs and usually they conduct these exams. Yes, the Holy Bible. I have shared my Instagram and Telegram ID. It's the same thing. Is this a JEE question? Yes, but I think this is a JEE Mains question, not an advanced question. Of course, advanced you won't have it this easy, man. Okay? I'm not too sure, guys. I think it's a JEE Main question because looking at the difficulty level, it's too easy. So this is my Instagram and Telegram ID. So please make a note of it and then we will move forward. This is underscore. Okay, so you can click on the link which I have given in the chat. I hope you guys are clear. Let's move forward. I have attached the solution so that you guys can read through it later on. So here we go. The next question for all of you right on your screen. This is a very interesting question. Please do it, guys. Please do it, all of you. I want everybody to try it out. Go for it. Yes, Rohan. Pakka. Rohan, don't worry. After JEE Mains, we will start the JEE Advanced Aspire series. I'm sure you have heard of the Aspire series. If not, check it in the JEE channel. You will know what is the level of questions we discuss. So don't worry, we have great things planned for you. Okay. If I get selected in IISc, can I skip writing JEE? Yes, but I think the admissions will take time, man. So your JEE will happen before. So you need to really work for it. Kiran says option C. Are you sure? Let's check it. I have covered 40% for advanced and 100% for mains. Can I take my level to advanced in 2 to 3 months? 3 months is a good time, Dhanush. 2 months, I would say it's a bit difficult. Maybe you can take it in 3 months. But you need to really work with a lot of commitment and hard work. Clear? So let me explain the question. Which is the first ellipse? Can you all say that? The first ellipse is the horizontal one. Because your A is greater than B and your A is equal to 3 and your B is equal to 2. So can I say this is my first ellipse? And the rectangle, guys, I think the diagram is not very good. So maybe I'll have to draw it separately. The diagram, I would say the rectangle will come here. Did you all get that? This is how the rectangle will be. Are you all clear? So the ellipse is inside the rectangle, and whenever it is inscribed, inscribed means it touches the sides. Touches the sides whenever it is inscribed. Okay. So that is ellipse E1, this one. Now there is another ellipse which passes through 0, 4. So 0, 4 is here and it circumscribes. Circumscribes means it passes through the vertices. It passes through the vertices of the rectangle. So it passes through this, this, this and this. So the outer ellipse will pass through the vertices. The inner ellipse will touch the sides of the ellipse. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? So can I say this point is 3, 0. So can I say this point will have x coordinate as 3? Are you all clear? And what is B? B is 0, 2. So can I say this point will be 3, 2? So the outer ellipse will pass through 3, 2 and it has one end of the major axis as 0, 4. So the outer ellipse will be of the form x square by c square plus y square by d square equal to 1, where d is equal to 4. Why d is equal to 4? Because the major axis is 4 units. The semi-major axis. Are you all clear? So if d is 4, I can put it here. I'll get x square by c square plus y square by d square equal to 1, and 3, 2 should satisfy this. 3, 2 should satisfy this because the point 3, 2, which is the vertex of one of the vertices of the rectangle, has to lie on the bigger ellipse. So if I substitute 3, 2, I will get 9 by c square plus 4 by 16 is equal to 1. So that will give me c square. So can I get the eccentricity with that? So what will be c square? Can you guys help me with that? Everybody? So 9 by c square will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, which will be 3 by 4. So c square will be 12 and I know d square 16. So 1 minus c square by d square is my answer, which is 1 by 4 under root. So the answer is half, which is option C, which Kiran has said. Did you all like it? Everybody? Are you all able to grasp it? Hello Sriram, welcome. It was a lengthy question, I do agree. But please let me know in the chat if you guys have a problem. I will try to clarify each and every doubt that you guys have. Yes, Albert Einstein, you can, but I'm not too sure whether the admission results will come that early for IISc. It was a beautiful question, of course. Exactly. Dhanush has got it. What about others? Are you guys able to follow it? Today my mind is totally blank. No problem, Anisha. These are all great concepts. I'm so happy that you are exposed to it in your 11th standard. Okay, so guys, please make a note of it. And if you have a problem, let me know so that I will try and redo it. What about Ragunesh? What about Shreya? What about Uncharted? Uncharted is missing. Which engineering branch is the best? Chinmayi, I would say computer science is the best as of now. It will be the best for the next 5-10 years because of the opportunities you get. But if you want to make it big in life, you need to become an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is someone who starts a business. It can be anything. You can sell paper, you can sell plastic cups, you can sell whatever you want. But an entrepreneur is someone who starts a business and makes it big. So if you want to make it big in life, you need to become an entrepreneur. Or if you want to get a good job, then I would say computer science is the best. Okay, because getting a job when you are in computer science is very easy compared to all the other branches. Okay, will there be a crash course for advanced? Yes, of course, my friend. We do have crash course for advanced as well. Right now, the highest priority in Vedantu is the crash course for JEE Mains. If you guys have even the slightest intention to join, go for it. You will not regret. I have given the link in the chat. You can click on it, go register it, and maybe you can have fun. Okay. Hello, Venisha. So guys, everybody is clear with it? So shall I move forward to the next one? Yes, Chinmay. All of them are they are good branches, of course. Civil, you need more experience to go to a higher position. Chemical is also a good branch. Okay, but if you compare with computer science, I would say computer science is any day better. Okay, that's my honest opinion. I hope you got it. Hello, Venkata Rohit. Welcome, man. Very nice to see you. Yes. So guys, this is a pro subscription which you guys were talking about. This is for the 11th standard students who are moving to 12th and even the 12th standard students who want help in KVPY, HC Verma, Iridov and all that. Okay, so you get to be taught in Hindi as well as English, and you have more than 5,000 hours of live online classes along with a lot of assignments. And if you are interested, you can check it out because this is also available for 20% off. So this is for the 11th standard students majorly. For 12th standard students, right now, I would suggest you to go for the crash course. Because crash course is, like I said, the highest priority right now in Vedantu. Okay, so let's continue. This is the next question. Have you written Olympiads like IOQM, IOQJS? Yes, Shankar. I have written the Olympiads, especially for math, I have written it. And for physics also I wrote it, but I did not go into the second or third level. I got a few certificates. I'm not too sure what happened. I think it was some state top 1% like that. So all these exams will give you a lot of certificates. If you are in top 1% of the state, you get certificates. Math Olympiad, I've gone to the RMO level, and the level after that, I'm not too sure. No, I think RMO level, I've written it twice when I was in 9th and 10th. 11th and 12th, I didn't write any exam because I was more focused on your JEE preparation. Okay, so that is about my background. How Vedantu Tattva module is useful for JEE? Karthik, the Tattva is prepared with a lot of love and care, man. It was prepared by Anand Sir himself. So he has prepared from his experience. So it is designed in such a way that it covers almost every concept in a beautiful manner so that you will be ready for an exam like Advanced. Pratham, you need to solve questions. So since it is JEE 2022, you have time. So take time and solve questions. Clear? Yes, Venkata. I didn't get your question. So can I solve this question? Everybody listen carefully. So what is asked? So we want to find PF1 plus PF2. Do you all know what is PF1 plus PF2? For an ellipse, we know that the sum of the focal distances is always a constant, which is 2a. Okay. Are you all clear? Everybody? So 2a is nothing but 2 times the major axis. 2 times the semi-major axis, isn't it? So x square by, we'll get 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So what is your semi-major axis? Your semi-major axis is 5. So what is 2 times a? 2 times a is 2 into 5, which will be 10. And yes, of course, the answer is option C. I hope you all liked it. Yes, Kirito. Yes, Albert Einstein. You guys are all absolutely right. Yes, Amit Jagni. Welcome. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Chinmay. That is so sweet of you to say. Maximum students have doubt in question solving strategy. Yes, Jay Ajinkya. So when you have an exam paper, if I want to tell it in just 1 minute, I always target the easy questions first. So when I open a paper, I go through all the questions. So I wrote my JEE a few years back and I was the first online batch. So now don't go and check which year was it. Then you'll be surprised. Okay. You'll be thinking, sir, we thought you're very old, but you're so young. So I was the first online batch which wrote the JEE Mains exam. And what I did was, first I go through every question. Whenever I go through every question, I understand which is easy and which is hard. See, that comes with practice, guys. Don't expect everything to be easy in life. See, that is unfair, no? Some guy is working 10 hours a day and you chill, you watch TV, you watch Ben 10 in 9th and 10th standard, in 11th and 12th standard you're watching Big Boss, and then finally you're playing PUBG. And then you expect, sir, I want to get All India top 100, sir. Can I do something? Can you tell me quickest strategy, sir? That is not correct. In life, you have to be fair. If he is putting so much hard work, and let's say you are gifted, you are very brainy, at least half the hard work you have to put, man. You have to put at least half the hard work. Okay. So that is how things work in life. Clear? So if you want to put the hard work, then what I would say is, if you want to be smart, pick the easy questions first. So that comes with practice. When you are solving a lot of questions, you understand what kind of questions are easy, what kind of questions are hard. So I always attack the easy questions first. So if let's say you have 25 questions, I do 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 25. That's it. So I do some 10, 15 questions which are very easy. So there are 10 more questions which are left out, which are moderate. So what I do is, I go to physics. Again, I do the easy questions there. Then I go to chemistry. I do the easy questions there. Then I come back to maths for the moderate questions. Then I will pick up my pace. I want to get more marks. Now I become greedy. I want to get a good rank. So I want to crack the moderate questions. Like that you develop. That is exactly what I do, and it has worked very well for me. So when I wrote JEE Mains, I scored somewhere around 300 on 360. Okay, so I got state rank 5 So I had the highest mark in chemistry. So I had chemistry 105, I had physics 99, and I unfortunately scored the lowest in maths. So this was my score, and this is because I followed a very nice strategy which worked for me. Okay, but it does not mean that you guys also should follow the same thing. Just because it worked for me doesn't mean it will work for you. But I'm just giving you ideas. See, cracking the easy questions first is what everybody does. Okay, so if you feel it's gonna be useful for you, then go for it. Clear? Great, great. Rise about, that's height, man, that's not height. I have to rise in height, I know that, but what is written here is height, not height. Okay. Yup. This year JEE will be for 300 marks only, of course, man. Albert Einstein, it's already out, right? It is out of 300 only. Very good, Jay Ajinkya, then you will know which questions are easy and which questions are tough. So I think it will be a good strategy for you. Ruth Roslyn, welcome Ruth. Very nice to see you. A very good evening to you as well. How to identify easy questions? Karthik, that cannot be taught, man. You have to solve questions because easy question is a personal level thing. What I might find easy might be difficult for you. What your friend finds easy might be difficult for you. So don't try to understand how to find easy questions. You develop that skill, and that comes with practicing. If you don't practice, if you don't do anything, then every question is difficult for you and you will never be able to identify easy questions. But if you make an effort, then slowly you will start getting that skill. Okay. Hello Harshavardhani, welcome. Which chapter is tough? Which chapter is easy? Guys, I don't know really. So when I was preparing, I think I liked coordinate geometry a lot. I did very well in that. I did sequence and series well. Tough. For advanced level tough chapters, I feel maybe vectors and PNC. So PNC and vectors are usually very tough for advanced level. For mains, I think everything is easy, guys. Like all of them are simple. Like nothing is too hard for anyone. If you are preparing so hard. Yes, Anand, I studied in IIT, man. 2018, Venisha. If I gave IIT in 2018, then I'll still be in IIT only, right? Studying. How can I teach? Is it 1 by root 2? I think you are right, man. So guys, we have an ellipse and it has OB as the semi-minor axis. So can I say OB is equal to B? Yeah. And let me draw the ellipse first. So the ellipse will look like this. Are you all clear? So this is 0, B, and F and F dash are the foci. So this is one of the foci and this is another foci. You are connecting them and they are perpendicular, FB, F dash. So this is nothing but minus AE, 0. This is plus AE, 0. So can I say this point is B? So I can say that slope of BF into slope of BF dash is equal to -1. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Yes. So what is slope of BF? Slope of BF is nothing but B by minus AE. Slope of BF dash is B by plus AE is equal to -1. So I'll get B square is equal to A square E square. So I'll get B square is equal to A square minus B square. So I'll get what? 2B square equal to A square. So I'll get B square by A square is equal to 1 by 2. And what is eccentricity? Eccentricity square is equal to 1 minus B square by A square. That will be 1 minus 1 by 2, which will be 1 by 2. And that is your E square. So eccentricity is 1 by root 2. Did you all get it? Yes. Very good, Faraz. Brilliant, man. Superb. Cool. So I hope everybody has understood it. So shall I move forward, guys? Any doubts? Very good, guys. What about Shreya? What about Ruth, Roslyn? Everybody is comfortable with this? Yes, yes, yes. Shankar, the reason is it can be made very difficult. It can be made. I'm not saying that it is always difficult in advance, but I have seen AITS papers, right? All India Test Series. So in those, especially PNC vectors can be made very, very hard that even the toppers can find it hard. Okay? But don't worry about all these things, man. It's okay. You just prepare, work for your mains, achieve one target after the other. That is my humble request to everybody. Shreya is saying, sir, I did not get it. So Shreya, see, you have an ellipse, Shreya. You have one focus at F. You have another focus at F dash. And you have the one end of semi-minor axis as B. Now they are saying that the angle FB F So the angle FB F this is right angle, Shreya. If it is right angle, then can I say the product of this slope and this slope is -1? Because that is what we mean by right angle. Yes. So if the product of slope is -1, what is slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here what is slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That's it, Shreya. After that, it's pretty easy. Are you clear with it? Very good, Ruth Roslyn. That's awesome. How many questions come from probability? Probability has a 10% weightage in KVPY Achyut. So you can get probably 1 or 2 questions from that. Okay. So let's go ahead to the next question. Please do it quickly, guys. Come on. Let's try to crack everything. Very good, Faraz. So guys, please keep solving also. Let's not only talk, we will solve as well. Yes, Sugda. Yup. I'm getting better. Mostly I'll be fine next week. So equation of normal is what? I will help you with that. So ellipse equation is what? X square by 16 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. The equation of normal is ax secant theta minus by cosecant theta equal to a square minus b square. So it will be 4x secant theta minus 2y cosecant theta is equal to a square minus b square, which is 16 minus 4, which will be 12. So this is the equation of normal. I have done a little bit for you so that you guys can do it from here. Ranveer, don't let it affect you, man, because like I said, I am someone who prepared for JEE from 8th standard, and in my class when I was in 11th standard, there were students who came and joined new to that coaching institute, and they all prepared for the first time, and in the end some of them even got better ranks than me. Okay, so it is not at what time you start preparing, but it is when do you peak. Your peak should come on the day of exam or during the month of the exam. So if you start very early, you might have peaked in your 10th standard or you might have peaked in your 11th standard. That has happened to some of my friends. So we all did well in our 10th and 11th, but correctly when it came to 12th, we kind of reduced in level. Can you understand that? So don't worry about when they started. It's all about how you end it. So your end has to be very high. It has to be top notch. So try for that. Got it? So you have 1.5 years time. So utilize that 1.5 years properly. And everything comes with hard work. You cannot simply wish for something and it will not happen like that. You need to sweat it out. You need to solve many questions, get your doubts cleared. That is why I recommend you to be a part of a system. You can check out Vedantu, and because the situation right now is only online, right? So if you are interested, check it. Hello Harishankar, welcome man. Ruth Roslin, I am from Chennai. I am taking the classes from Chennai because I live here. Exactly, Venisha. So you have been doing research all this while. Huh? Okay. So let's complete this. Yeah, Shankar. Yes, Kavin. Tomorrow we have a KVPY session, Kavin. Okay. Okay, Venisha. I think you told C, right? Let me check it. So guys, are you all clear with this? Shall I solve it? So now, what is the point P? The point P is A cos theta, comma B sin theta. Okay, this is the point P. And what is Q? Q is where this point meets the x-axis. X-axis means y coordinate is 0. So if y is 0, your x coordinate will be what? 3 cos theta. Are you all clear? So this is the point Q. Are you all clear with this? Very simple. So I got Q, I got P. I just need to find out the midpoint M. I just need to find out the midpoint M. Are you all able to get that? Yes? Very good. So let's try to solve it. So P is nothing but 4 cos theta, comma 2 sin theta. And Q is nothing but 3 cos theta, comma 0. So what is the midpoint of both of them? 7 cos theta by 2, comma sin theta. Because midpoint, right? A plus B by 2, A plus B by 2. That's what I did. So that is H comma K. So can I say 2H by 7 is equal to cos theta and K is equal to sin theta. So just square and add them. So if I square and add them, I'll get 4H square by 49 plus K square equal to 1. So this is my locus of M. That is the locus of M. Okay, whatever I have here, which is going to be what? 4x square by 49 plus y square is equal to 1. We want to see where it intersects the lattice rectum of the given ellipse. What is the lattice rectum of the given ellipse? It is nothing but x is equal to plus or minus AE. So that will be what? Plus or minus 4 into what is eccentricity? 1 minus b square by a square, which will be 1 minus 4 by 16, which will be 1 minus 1 by 4. Eccentricity is root 3 by 2. Okay, so it's going to be 2 root 3 with a plus or minus. So put x equal to 2 root 3 here and get your y. So if I put x equal to 2 root 3, I'll get 4 into 2 root 3 whole square, which will be 12 by 49 plus y square is equal to 1. So y square is equal to 1 by 49. So y is equal to plus or minus 7. Plus or minus 1 by 7. So the answer is plus or minus 2 root 3 plus or minus 1 by 7, which I exactly got over here. Are you all clear with it? Very good. So Anisha, the answer was option C. I think you might have made a small mistake. Please check it. Laksa Prasadan. Maybe down the line, man. Not right now. We'll see. And Manish Goyal. Yes, Manish, I do understand, man. But I do get that 12th standard students are always pressurized because it is just 1 month away, na? So that is why I try to help them. But don't worry, we will solve questions. Not a problem. So yeah, let's move forward, guys. Let's not spend too much time. So here we go. Sir, 2 sine theta plus 2 by 2 is also there, na, Ruth? By 2 is also there, na? Because they're asking midpoint, Ruth. Midpoint means by 2 you have to do. x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So when you divide by 2, it will become sine theta. Got it? So guys, this is the next question. Everybody please try to solve it. Ranveer, it's totally fine. Guys, it's okay. Manish, what you told is fine. I don't disagree with you. So we will try to be a bit faster. And if you guys have any questions, we can ask at the end so that the 11th standard students don't feel bored. Okay? At the end of the class, you guys can ask whatever doubts you have. So a line is passing through extremity A. Extremity means vertex, Kirito. So I will show you what extremity means. Listen very carefully. So if you have an ellipse like this now, so this is called as one extremity, which is A comma 0 na, Kirito. So a line passing through one extremity of the major axis also passes through one extremity of your minor axis and meets the auxiliary circle at point M. What is auxiliary circle? Auxiliary circle is a circle with the major axis as diameter. Okay, so it passes through these 2 points and meets the auxiliary circle at a point M. Now I want to find out what is the area. What is the area of AOM? So this triangle. I want to find out what is the area of this triangle. Let me take a different color. So this area I want to find. Okay, and what do we know? We know that this is your minor axis 0 comma B, and we know this is your auxiliary circle, which is x square plus y square equal to a square. Guys, with this information you should be able to solve. Please try to do it. Everybody clear? Yes, Achyut, Albert Einstein, you are absolutely right, and our very own Kiran Kumar is also correct. Yes, Laksa Prasadan, I will try, man, but not right now. Okay, I'll keep it in mind what you have requested. Very good, Karthik. So guys, for this ellipse, what is your A and B? So this ellipse is x square by 9 plus y square is equal to 1. So your A is 3, your B is 1. So this point is 3 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 1. So what is the equation of line AB? Equation of this line is nothing but x by A plus y by B equal to 1. So do you agree that is the equation of this black line? Do you all agree that this is the equation of the black line? Everybody? Okay, so now I'm going to solve this black line with the equation of the circle. What is the equation of circle? X square plus y square is equal to a square, which is 9. So from this equation of the line, I can say that your x is equal to 3 times 1 minus y. So let's put that in here. So it will be 9 times 1 minus y the whole square plus y square equal to 9. So with that, you guys can get what is the y coordinate of M. So can I say area of triangle AOM is equal to half into base into height? Half into base into height. Are you all clear with that? Let's say O dash is this point. So that will be equal to what? Half into 3 into O dash M. And what is O dash M? O dash M is nothing but the y coordinate of the point of the point M. Are you all clear? So if I find out the y coordinate by solving this equation, I will get O dash M and that will give me my answer. Can you guys figure out what is the value of O dash M by solving this? Can we all do that? So what do I have here? When I open it, I'll get 9 plus 9y square plus y square, which will be 10y square. Then we'll have how much? Minus 18y. Okay, minus 18y is equal to 9. Is that correct? So I will have 9 and 9 cancelling out. So I'll have y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 9 by 5. So put 9 by 5 over here. So it will be half into 3 into 9 by 5, which will be 27 by 10. That is your answer. Did you all like it? Good question. Priya, very good Priya. Brilliant, brilliant. Exactly, Shankar. I wish that would happen. Very good, Ali. Awesome, man. Very good, Manish. Superb. Ayush, any doubt, Ayush, please let me know. I will try to help you. Yeah, I will repeat it in brief because I want Ayush also to understand. Yes, Dhanush. But Dhanush, that is a lengthier approach. You could have done directly this way. Okay, so Ayush, listen carefully. First of all, what I did was, Ayush, I understood what is asked. Of course, these are all advanced level questions, so naturally they will be difficult. Don't get worried. Don't take tension. I will explain, listen carefully. See, there is a line, Ayush. The line is passing through A, one extremity of the major axis and one extremity of the minor axis. So this is B. So it passes through A and B, and when you continue drawing that, it meets the auxiliary circle. Auxiliary circle means it is a circle which is drawn with the center as origin or center as center of ellipse and radius as semi-major axis. So that is my auxiliary circle. So when I extend this line, it meets the auxiliary circle at M, this point M. And this is the equation of ellipse. Now given this information, they want you to find out what is the area of AOM, this green color shaded part. So what is the area of triangle? Half base into height. So base is OA, height is this height, na? Height of the third vertex from the base. So that is perpendicular. So I took this as O dash and M, I put it over here. So that is the area. Now OA we directly know Ayush because it is given in the question, na? If I write the standard form of ellipse, I get x square by 9 plus y square equal to 1. So your semi-major axis is 3. That means this distance is 3, Ayush. Okay. So I got half into 3 into this height alone I need to find out. So if I want to find out this height, Ayush, I need to know what is the y coordinate of this point M. How will I get the y coordinate of point M? When I have this straight line equation and intersect it with the circle equation. So I got the straight line equation by intercept form because this is your x-intercept, this is your y-intercept. X-intercept is 3, y-intercept is 1. So x by x-intercept plus y by y-intercept is equal to 1 is the intercept form of line equation. So I got the straight line and I also know the auxiliary circle equation, x square plus y square equal to a square. So solve this and this, you will get the point M. Did you understand that? Are you able to grab it? Yes. Very good, Ayush. That's awesome. I hope you guys are all clear with it now. Yes, of course, Dhanush. Shifting of axis will come. But rotated, oblique, that won't come. Okay. So let us move forward, guys. Brilliant. I'm so happy that many of you have understood it. Let's go to the next one. Please try to solve this. This is an easy question. It's a mains question. Please do it. Everybody. Why, Kamaraj? What is the problem, Dhanush? Is the wording not clear to you? I will read the question. The number of values of C such that the straight line y equal to 4x plus c touches the curve x square by 4 plus y square equal to 1. That's the question. Y equal to 4x plus c touches the curve x square by 4 plus y square equal to 1. Okay. Thank you, Priya. I am so glad you have understood it. Yes, Kiran. No problem, Kiran. Take care. Okay, let's try to do it. Very good, Achyut, because Albert Einstein, you are absolutely correct. I am doing great, Ali. I hope you are also doing fine. Anisha, very good, Anisha. You are correct. Priya, brilliant, Priya. That's absolutely right. So let's try to understand this clearly, guys. So we have y equal to 4x plus c, and I want to find out the values of c such that your straight line will touch this curve. So if you have y equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, what is the condition? The condition is c square should be equal to a square m square plus b square. So here your c square should be equal to, what is your m? Your m is equal to 4 because m is nothing but the coefficient of x. And here a square is equal to 4 and your b square is equal to 1. So I will have c square equal to a square into m square plus b square, which will be 65. So your c is equal to plus or minus root 65. So there are two such values for which this will happen. Are you all clear? Everybody? Are you all clear with this? You can either solve this line with this curve and say discriminant is 0, or you can already use the known result, Achyut. This is what I would recommend. This is a very commonly known result, right? So I use that. Hello Giridharan, welcome man, no problem. Very good, Ruth Roslyn, that's absolutely correct. Okay. No problem, man. Shankar, right now, try to stick. You have to stay focused and continue with your journey. Okay, don't let that stop or hinder you. You can still be a part of Pro subscription, don't worry. You can try to write VSAT, get good scholarships. Very good, Manish. Okay, so let's move forward and try to take one JEE Advanced question of a recent year. So guys, this is a big one. So you need to really work for it. So let's see how many of you can crack it. I will break down the initial question for you. I will break down the initial question for you. Please try it out, everybody. Okay. How big? Yes, of course, it's a JEE Advanced question. What do you expect? So let me show you the initial step. So you have what? A square is equal to 9. You have b square is equal to 5. So what is your eccentricity? Eccentricity is equal to 1 minus b square by a square, which is 4 by 9. So E is equal to what? E is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So what is AE? Okay. So AE is equal to what? AE is equal to 3 into 2 by 3. So it will be plus 2 comma 0. So this is your F1. F2 will be what? Minus 2 comma 0. Are you all clear? Because F2 is negative and F1 is positive. This is the first step. This is very easy. Are you all clear? Yup. Two questions are merged into a single one. So I hope you guys are all fine with it. Whatever I told you now is very simple, na? I don't think it's a great it's a difficult thing to notice. I hope you're all fine with it. Yes, are you guys clear with it, guys? Come on. Yeah. After this, you guys can try it. I'm not going to solve. I'll give you the diagram so that you understand it. So you have an ellipse like this. So you have F2 over here and F1 over here. And you have one parabola to the right and one parabola to the left. But the focus of the left parabola will be 2F2. The focus of the left parabola is a bigger one. Okay. So let me write 2F2 is what? Minus 4, 0. F2 is nothing but minus 2, 0. F1 is nothing but 2, 0. So can I say this parabola equation is y square equal to 8x? And this parabola equation is y square is equal to minus 16x. That's it, over. Now you guys can try it. It's laddu after this. Very good, Ayush. Great, man. Dhanush is also saying that he has solved it before. Great. So guys, did you all like it? It's actually pretty simple if you notice it. The question looks big, but it's actually pretty simple because I have not done anything great. I just broke the steps down. That's it. Yes, Achyut, please solve it. Exactly, Dhanush. That's correct. Yes, everybody done? So what else is asked? So you are drawing a tangent from a random point P from the first parabola which passes through the focus of the second parabola. Which passes through the focus of second parabola. I think it's the other line, right? It passes through 2F2. I'm sorry. Yeah. So what is the tangent equation for the first parabola? Can I say y equal to mx plus 2 by m? And we know that it passes through minus 4, 0. So can I substitute minus 4, 0 inside? So I'll get 0 is equal to minus 4m plus 2 by m. Are you all clear? So I will get m square is equal to 1 by 2. Are you all able to grab it? Yes. So now another point Q here, I draw a tangent which passes through the focus of the first parabola. So for this, tangent will be y equal to m2x. Let's say this is m1 for the first parabola. So this will be m2x plus a by m2. A is what? Minus 4. Now it passes through 2, 0. So if I substitute 2, 0, I will get 0 is equal to 2m2 minus 4 by m2. So I will get m2 square is equal to 2. So m2 square is 2 and 1 by m1 square. 1 by m1 square is also 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and that is the answer. Are you all clear with it? Very good, Ayush. That is amazing, man. That's exactly what we want. Did you get it, everybody? Priya, don't worry. Try to go through it slowly. I'm sure you will be able to understand. Very good, very good. Okay. So, Priya, there are lots of information in the question. You have to go through it one by one. Yes, absolutely, Albert Einstein. I will repeat it again. Listen carefully. Okay, so what we have here, you have a tangent T1 drawn to the first parabola which passes through 2f2, which is the focus of the second parabola. So what is the tangent in the first parabola? Can I say y equal to mx plus a by m? So that is y equal to mx plus 2 by m. Now that tangent passes through the focus of the second parabola. And what is the focus of the second parabola? It is nothing but minus 4 comma 0. So minus 4 comma 0 must satisfy this equation. So I put 0 in the place of y, minus 4 in the place of x, and I got a relation between m. I got the value of slope m1. Got it? Exactly. Yes, Albert Einstein. Now I'll put tangent 2, I'll find out for the second parabola, which is y equal to mx minus 4 by m, because it is y square equal to minus 4ax. So there I will put the second 2 comma 0 focus, because if I have a tangent t2, it passes through the focus of the first parabola, which is 2 comma 0. So I substitute 2 comma 0 over here and I will get m2. So I got m2, I got m1, and that gives me the answer. I hope you guys are all clear. Very good, Manish. That's brilliant. So that is how it works. Zahid, I hope you have understood it, man. It was a brilliant question. I hope you guys are getting it. So with that, we will conclude, guys. We had a long session today. A lot of interesting discussions. So I will leave a few questions as homework. I'll leave a few questions as homework. Please try it and do comment it down below. Okay, Achyut and Anisha and Uncharted, few people are answering down in the comments, but I don't see answers from everybody. So guys, please take the homework questions seriously, because they're also very interesting and they will expose you to some good level. Okay, please do it and comment the answers below. Here also I gave you one advanced question as a homework. Let's see how many of you are able to do it. With that, we will conclude. Thank you, Kirito. Thank you, guys. Okay, Shankar. Yes, Albert Einstein. So guys, this is the Ekalavya batch. It is the toppers batch of Vedantu, which is free of cost. But to get into this batch, you need to clear one exam and you need to get a good score in that, because it is based on merit. If you are a good student and if you need help, we will guide you for free. So to get access to that exam, I will give you the link. So this is the toppers of Ekalavya batch. We had Chirag, who got All India rank 41. We have Dhruv, who got All India rank 43 this year. And next year it might be you. So if you are interested, definitely check it. Okay. So guys, this is the link to get into the Ekalavya batch. This is the Telegram link where all the announcements will be made. And this is the test. Already 2 tests are over. You have only one more chance on January 10th. That is your final attempt. So make use of it. Okay. If I get 98 or 99 percentile, that is not needed, man. If you get 98 or 99, we will automatically take you in Ekalavya. And you might even get the top NITs. Okay. So if you are a JEE student and you are preparing for JEE Advanced, JEE Mains very seriously, guys, please check out the crash course at Vedantu. I will ask them to share the link. The crash course is beautifully designed for you so that you can cover the most important topics of JEE Mains in just 1.5 months. You have 45 live lectures taken by the best teachers of Vedantu, the most experienced ones. So Albert Einstein, right now, crash course is the best and highest level course in Vedantu, because we are coming all out for you, all out. When Vedantu's co-founders are coming and teaching, you know how serious it is. Pulkit sir is the founder of Vedantu and he is coming and teaching you guys because he knows that this phase is very important for you guys. Okay, so please make use of it. 45 lectures, doubt solving, full test and part tests. Definitely, Achyut, if you are a 2021 aspirant, you have to take it because it is meant for you guys. You have 10 full tests and 10 part tests. Also, you have the interactive feature, the wave platform in the Vedantu's class. Got it? So to master mechanics, Ayush, I would say solve HC Verma, or if you have Iridov, you can solve Iridov, but Iridov is a bit difficult. Great, Achyut. I would love to see you in the class because I'll also be taking a few sessions. What is meant by wave? Wave is the platform in Vedantu. It is not like Zoom, it is not like Google Meet. It is a technology created by our own people at Vedantu. So you will see some cool features if you are a part of this. And all of this is available for a price of 8,000, not for 1.5 months, for 5 months. January, February, March, April, May. So till you give your exam in May, we will support you if you are a student of Crash Course. Okay? Is that fine? So I hope that answers all your doubt. This is the Telegram link. You guys can join if you're interested. You get all the announcement of this particular channel over here. And finally guys, if you're new, give us a subscribe because we are a new channel and we would love to see a lot more students. I'm sure many students will benefit from this. So definitely subscribe over here and do like it as well. And if you really loved it, share it. Because sharing I know is very difficult. Because I also watch many YouTube videos randomly here and there. But we never share, right? Because we feel shy. We'll be like, oh, who will see this? What will they think of me? So if you guys really enjoyed it, definitely share it to your friends also, okay? Eklavya link, I will put it up in the description, Kavin. You can check it out. 3rd July is advanced. Yes, Albert Einstein. How did you learn those exceptions of inorganic chemistry? By maintaining notes, Jay Ajinkya. You have to maintain notes for the exceptions because in chemistry you get a lot of exceptions. So it's important. Advanced level questions are in NCERT. No man, of course not. Bye Harishankar. Yes. Aerospace engineer, you have aerospace engineering in IIT, so you can try for that, the Rose Tube. So you start preparing for IIT, crack it, get into IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, Delhi, all of them have aerospace engineering, and then you can try for your higher studies because for aerospace you need to do higher studies. KVBY is on January 31st, Ayush. Okay. So guys, with that we will conclude. All the very best to all my dear students. You guys were awesome and it was so nice to interact with all of you. So take care. Wish you guys the best. Check out the crash course because like I said, that is the most beautiful thing which can happen to you, and it is coming from someone who has been in the crash course, who has taken crash courses. Okay, so it might be a game changer because the last year toppers, 547 students who went on to get advanced ranks, they were mostly crash course students. They were all crazily talented and they all have testified that the last month boost by Vedantu has catapulted them to a good rank. Okay, so I will give the crash course link in the chat, in the description, and also in the comments. Check it out, talk to your parents, and if you feel, go for it because that was what I would suggest. Okay, thank you Atharva. Okay guys, take care, all the best, see you in the next one, bye bye.